Hey there, Neely Salem here with another spiritual thought about Shabbat. So, Shabbat concludes with a ceremony called Havdallah, or in Hebrew, Havdallah. Now, one of the items that we use in Havdallah is this intertwined candle with multiple wicks, but the wicks are all together in one. So, what's the deal with this candle? Well, something incredible happens over the course of Shabbat. And that is, when you begin Shabbat, you use two separate candles. When you end Shabbat, those separate candles merge into one. And this represents the idea of Shabbat in the first place, is bringing together two-ness into oneness, coming together into unity. So though we begin Shabbat with two separate candles, if you do Shabbat right, if you have the right vibes, if you're bringing in the peeps and the family, then hopefully you took all that two-ness and you brought it into oneness. And that is one idea why the Havdalah candle has multiple wicks in one.